Hercules 54, the Centaur Nessus. Alright, afterwards, Hercules perfected, completed many other famous tests, which now it is long to thoroughly write about. But let's be realistic. We are like 40 sections into this story for 12 labors. Is it really the point now where it's like, no, it's a little too much, But let's keep going because this goes all the way to 56. Alright, tandem at last. And perfectus aetate is a little weird, literally having gone forth with respect to age. And I wrote having set out in age, but basically having gotten a lot older. He dukes it. This is Hercules. He led Deianira, the daughter of Oeneus, in marriage. Nevertheless, after Traisonos, after 3 years, it happened that, setting up a result clause, it happened that he killed a certain boy. Date of a possession with the Kui here. Whose name was Eunymus, and he killed him Kasu by accident. Moreover, since it was custom that, and then after Sine Numine, Ali takes out a holiday, after anyone had killed a man by accident, he would go in exilium, he would go in exile. Alright, so there are a lot of things going on here, but we do have a result clause. We also have a cum clause in there. Hercules, Matarawa, hastened to leave cum exorsua with his wife from the borders of Escuvitatis of the state. Nevertheless, while they were making the journey, they came to a certain river on which there was no bridge. And while they were wondering, and we're going to need to take this quam, or this nam out, and you remember quomodo equals how. Setting up this indirect question. How across the river, the Centaur Nessus popped up, who offered help to the Viatoribus, to the travelers, literally the user of Via roads. Therefore, Hercules put his wife on the back of Nessus, then he himself crossed the river. Moreover, Nessus, we got a deponent participle, having set out a little bit in the water, where we're at Batur. And this is going to be used kind of as a middle voice, which doesn't really exist in Latin or in English, but it does exist in Greek. And this is a Greek story, so we're going to make it work. And middle voice is kind of reflexive. It's a reflexive voice. Having turned himself suddenly to the shore, he turned himself suddenly to the shore. And Konabator, this is deponent. I tried to carry off Deianira. And the quote is taken on all this. Once Hercules had noticed this, having been moved gravely ira with anger, he stretched his bow and pierced the chest of Nessus with an arrow.